Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will discover together how to hitch a loader to a Massey Ferguson tractor. Before starting, make sure that the loader's hydraulic couplers are correctly positioned on their dedicated support to avoid any risk of damage. Also, check that the lock and go systems are properly unlocked both sides. Next, align the tractor with the loader, keeping everything aligned. Move slowly and stop a few centimeters away from the attachments, just before the subframes insert. Get out of the cab to connect the hydraulics. Lift the handle to open the cover. Align the two parts of the coupler. Pull the locking button, and then lower the handle completely to secure the connection. Get back into the cab and tilt the implement down by pushing the joystick to the right. This action ensures the loader's attachment properly inserts into the tractor's subframes. Then raise the loader until the lock and go systems securely lock the loader to the tractor. Get out again and check that the locking system is properly engaged both sides. Then fold the loader's legs to complete the installation, and there you go. The loader is now hitched. Now it's your turn to try.